What is up, guys? This is Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and we're back at the shop, and I'm going to show you today how well our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine can remove heavy brake dust. Now, we're outside the shop with this Mercedes 550. This thing has not been washed in over 3 months, and we got 3 months of brake dust on this wheel. Now, Mercedes-Benz are known for very aggressive brake dust, and even though this car is driven in the rain, it's been washed out here with water, this brake dust doesn't come off. And I'm going to show you how well our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine can take off the brake dust simply and easily. Now, you can pick this up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get everything you need to get your car looking great. And all we're going to use today is some microfiber towels. Now, our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine is designed for all painted surfaces, and it also works great on wheels as well. So let's show you how great our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine works. And what I like to do is I like to spray the wheel. Now, these wheels, these Mercedes S-Class wheels, are notorious for being extremely hard to clean because of all the small areas and cracks. So I'm going to spray the whole wheel with the Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine. Now, as you can see, once our Waterless Wash and Shine grabs onto the wheel, it starts to release the dirt, and all the dirt that's coming off, that's sliding, that's the dirt releasing from the wheel. So let's go ahead and start by the top and start cleaning this wheel. Now, look, by just wiping away the brake dust with the Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine, we're able to expose a nice clean wheel. The hardest part about this wheel is getting in all these little cracks up here, but the Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine makes it so easy to clean all these spokes. I like to grab my microfiber towel and clean one spoke at a time as I go across the whole wheel. But look how easy we're starting to clean off the brake dust from this wheel. Now, these Mercedes-Benz AMG cars actually come with very aggressive brake pads from the factory, and that's what actually causes this heavy brake dust. This car has extremely heavy brake dust, and oftentimes a lot of Mercedes-Benz owners say that regular brake cleaners or wheel cleaners don't work good on the wheels because they can stain the wheel, they harm the wheel. Our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine will never harm the surface, will never stain the surface, and it's so easy to use. So the way I like to use it is I like to pre-soak the wheel, and then I like to spray each individual area and work that individual area. There we go. We're gonna end up doing half this wheel, show you a nice 50-50 difference, and show you how well our product works. Now, I like doing this because you can actually wash this car anywhere, anytime with just our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine. That's one of the best things about this product. So let's go to this bottom part right here, spray a little bit more, and we'll start working the area with the microfiber towel. After I do this little area, I'm going to show you guys the towel because this thing is filthy. And it's even taking off the heavier road tar as well. This wheel had some road tar spots. It's taking it right off. And look at all the dirt that we're taking off this wheel. It's amazing how great this product works. Here we go. We've almost done half the wheel. And the cool thing about this, you could do this in an apartment, at a condo, at your home, at your job, on the go. If you're a limo driver or you're a professional driver, you're Uber, you might want to be using this as it goes. Check this out. We have some like road tar spot right there. Let's pre-soak it with the Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine, and let's work that little spot off. There we go. Look how that came off so easy. These wheels are starting to look amazingly clean. There we go. And look how we remove the heavy brake dust. So come down, check out the difference right here. Look at the before and after we're getting on this difference of this color it's coming out. The hardest part about cleaning these wheels is getting in these little tiny cracks down here. These little cracks right here where the spoke meets the edge of the rim. There gets a lot of brake dust built up in these little tiny cracks, and that's where the hardest brake dust to remove is, because customers drive their cars and all of that brake dust builds up there, and it may not be cleaned properly for like 3 washes. But look how our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine just cleans it up so easy, so fast. And it really does make an amazing difference. Okay, look at that, guys. We're gonna step back a little bit and look at the difference on that. The wheel is already looking extremely clean. I'm gonna work through and get some last little spots on there, but our microfiber towel is dirty, but look how clean the wheel is. There's no brake dust on that. Over here, there's thick brake dust in all of the crevices and the cracks, and it really does kill the look of the car, but we were able to clean this wheel so easy, and it's clean, completely dry, no brake dust, and our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine cleans, shines, and it protects in one easy step. So it cleaned the wheel, it gave more shine and more gloss than using a wheel cleaner, and it's protected. This wheel feels slick. And that's why our Masterson's Waterless Wash Shine is one of our best sellers. And you can pick it up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com. So let's clean the rest of this wheel, and then we will go ahead and show you guys the final result. So there we go, guys. We finished cleaning our Mercedes-Benz S-Class wheel using our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine. Now check out all the dirt that we took off that wheel. That's all the brake dust that was inside that wheel. And these are the type of wheel that are very hard to clean. Check out how complicated the design is, but look how clean it is now. This wheel is so clean. It's smooth, it's clean, it has no brake dust on the wheel, and the paint shines so much. And this car has over 250,000 miles on the clock right here. And this is a lot of brake dust and a lot of years of neglect. We're able to take off all that brake dust, and now this wheel feels very clean. Plus, our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine features a polymer sealant inside of the product, so it's going to repel brake dust, and the next time this car has to be washed, it's going to be washed easier and faster using the Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine or any traditional car wash. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have. Check out the before and after, man. There's the before, there's the after. Now you guys know exactly how well this product works, and if you like it, you can go ahead and pick it up on our website, mastersonswax.com, where you get everything you need to get your car looking great. Now we're gonna get detailing the rest of this car. Remember, wanna come check out our products, go to our website, mastersonswax.com, and remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.